You guys see this right here? Oh, that's hot. Oops. That's going away. All that's going away.
It'll give us enough room to release the muffler off.
Yeah, it'll take the muffler off, but we're gonna take off my exhaust today, most of my exhaust, and I fell, so I have a fat thing right here. But we're gonna take off my muffler and hopefully my resonator today. But we ran into a complication. If you look over there, that little thing right there, that's the jack point, but we do not have one right here. It fell off, I guess, on the way to Coda. So we don't have a jack point for this side. So we're gonna see if we can use like that part right there. So this is gonna be interesting. Before I got a bit stuck, so now there's mud all over my thing. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take off that. There's a resonator right there, so we're gonna take off that, get them pops, hopefully. And yeah, we'll see. We'll go from there. First jack in. We don't have a jack over there, so we're gonna slap one on that. I think it's a control arm, to be honest.
This is kind of sketchy, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know. We gotta do what we gotta do. Am I right? For the record, this is not a how-to video. If you see this on the internet, this is not a how-to video. We don't know what we're doing. Right there, and we have that connected to the frame. We're just gonna cut right back there, and we'll see what happens. All right, you got bolt right there. Bolt right there. This is gonna be right there rather. This is gonna be fairly easy. Then we got another one right there. All the hangers just holding on the exhaust. Then we got to cut right behind that resonator. But it's 2 exhausts go into the resonator and comes out as 1. So that might be a bit complicated. But I think we can figure it out. We need to cut that right there.
There we go.
I don't know what you just did, but we're cutting something rubber.
I'm halfway through it.
Okay, we can't get the bolt out of there, so we need to cut it because it's connected to the diff. We don't want to take that out. Oh, I forgot, the exhaust might fall on me. Hang on. Hey, boys, it's out. Sick. Okay. And now what? We're at home. But don't try this at home. Did you put it? No, it's right here. You put it on the trash can.
I know you won't put it up. No, I might.
Alright, we need an extension cord.
Oh, I'll consider it.
There you go. This is a warm start on my car before we take the exhaust off. This is probably the last time you'll ever hear it like this. Actually, you won't hear it at all. Yeah, so right now all it is engine noise, so it's about to not be engine noise. Alright boys, here we go. New plan, we're gonna cut right there instead of the resonator because it's gonna, first of all, so if we do cut that and we just don't cut the muffler off, it'll fall on us. It'll be heavy.
Yeah. It'll also make it easier to put in the back of the car.
That is true. And then we can weld it on whenever I sell it, if I sell it. So let's do that. Let's cut it right here first. It'll be easier.
Yeah, that's a whole lot.
Okay. It's jacked up enough.
Oh, got it.
We have a cut made right there, but we need a little bit more. We don't have the correct tool for it, so we're gonna go see if we can find it to cut that off right there. Yes, that is gonna work very well. All right, let's get this done. I'm not gonna record this part because I need to actually hold it, but you know how it goes.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's the entire. Oh, I didn't mind. All right, we got it off. Let's see if we can cut those resonators off. Is it working?
Yep.
Maybe. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Look at that. See, he has a couple cuts.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's that.
Yeah, I definitely need two hands on it.
Yeah.
That's the problem is it's a little low, so I can't really get two hands on this thing. And that's if I do this. Wiggle, wiggle. Bam. Just like that.
What'd you get? Did you slip it? We ran into some complications. Part of the resonator is not getting cut at all. Boys, I regret to say, we have failed. We are gonna have to unjack it because we can't get the resonator out. There's a fat hole in my exhaust now. We gotta cut the resonator like just beforehand, but it's just not. It's not coming undone. So we got the muffler off. Got the hole in the resonator. You guys can't see it, but that's about it. So right now it's just gonna be sitting there like this, and I'll take it to a shop and we'll actually get it done professionally. As if we're not already professionals, aren't we?
Oh no, we definitely are.
Yeah. Here's a startup of what we have so far. It should sound better here in a little bit, or whenever we get it done, but here we go. That's cool. Alright boys, so this is just the muffler delete so far, but listen to this. That sounds so amazing. So it's a completely different day, and I just realized that I completely forgot to film a startup with no muffler. So yeah. So yeah, that is how you take off a muffler. Actually, no, that's not how you take off a muffler. Don't do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I noticed my head was kind of out of the shot there. I do apologize for that. But it does sound pretty good. More to come on it. It's gonna have a straight pipe from, I think it's called the catback exhaust. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to do. Follow me on YouTube. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya!